What's it like to upload a video to YouTube and get lost in the sea of 500 hours of content uploaded every minute? It might seem like your video is just another drop in the ocean, but then something wonderful happens. Your video suddenly takes off, attracting thousands of views, then millions. Before you know it, that one video without any faces or special effects is making more money than your mother. $200,000.
Whoa, but is it possible to make that much with just one video? It seems too good to be true. How does that even happen?
It might sound like a fantasy, but it's not just luck or randomness. Today, I'm going to reveal the secrets behind how a faceless YouTube video managed to pull in that kind of cash. We'll go deep into how Magnates Media, a business documentary channel, engineered a viral sensation and made an amazing amount of money from just one video. Trust me, it's not as magical as it seems, but it's impressive.
Are you ready to listen? Let's talk about the video that fired Magnates Media to fame in the faceless YouTube niche. On Social Blade, the channel is reported to make anywhere between $645 to $10,300 every month. But these numbers are misleading. They are based on outdated CPM, cost per thousand impressions, rates of $4, which doesn't reflect the actual earnings in the business niche, where rates are significantly higher.
In reality, the business niche on YouTube commands a much higher CPM, often between $30 and $40 per thousand views. This is because advertisers in the business sector are willing to pay more to reach an audience that is potentially high value and high intent. Since the video in question from Magnates Media is a 33-minute long documentary, it's packed with multiple ads. This placement strategy importantly boosts its AdSense revenue. With 5.7 million views and a $30 CPM, this video alone could have generated close to $175,000 just from AdSense.
That's impressive, but I assume there's more to it than just ad revenue?
You bet. The video also shows a paid promotion label, which means a big sponsor like Coca-Cola paid a big amount for it. With so many views and such a high-profile sponsor, they probably got at least $50,000 or more. When you add up the AdSense earnings and the sponsorship money, this one video could easily make over $200,000. Pretty amazing, right?
Totally. It makes you wonder how anyone can achieve such success. What's the trick to making that happen?
How can you match this success? Here's a step-by-step guide to help you start a similar channel and potentially make money from just one video. 1. Choose your niche wisely. The first and most crucial step is choosing a profitable niche. Business is a lucrative niche due to its high CPM rates, but other niches like technology, finance, or luxury can also be very profitable. The key is to select a niche that attracts high-paying advertisers and has considerable viewer interest. For instance, the business niche works well because companies in this sector are often willing to pay more for advertisements due to the high purchasing power of their target audience. Similarly, niches like technology and finance attract advertisers who are ready to invest. Think about what topics you're keen about or areas where you see a gap in the market.
2. Craft engaging scripts. You can outsource script writing to talented freelancers on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Look for writers who have experience crafting high-converting scripts that keep viewers hooked and ensure high retention rates. When choosing a scriptwriter, review their portfolios and previous work. It's important to select someone who understands your niche and can deliver content that resonates with your target audience. Additionally, for brainstorming viral topic ideas, tools like ChatGPT can help you generate ideas with a high potential for success.
3. Create a fantastic voiceover. There are 3 main options here. First, if you have a great voice and good recording equipment, this is the most personal and cost-effective option. Second, platforms like Fiverr and Upwork have many talented voiceover artists. You can find high-quality voices within your budget. Third, if you're on a tight budget, services like 11 Labs offer text-to-speech options that produce natural-sounding voiceovers.
4. Master the art of video editing. Editing is where your video can truly shine. Magnates Media's video editing is top-notch, clean, engaging, and professional. High-quality editing helps retain viewers and increases the chances of the video going viral. For video editing, you have 2 choices. First, invest time in learning video editing through YouTube tutorials and practice. This can be a cost-effective way to improve your skills and manage your content. Second, search for experienced video editors on Fiverr who specialize in editing videos similar to those from Magnates Media. This ensures your video meets high standards and is engaging enough to attract millions of views.
5. Optimize your videos for maximum views. Once your video is edited, you need to make it stand out on YouTube. Start by finding relevant keywords using tools and include them in your video's title, description, and tags. Create thumbnails that grab attention and make viewers eager to click. Craft titles and descriptions that not only explain what your video is about, but also make it enticing enough for people to want to watch. These steps will help your video get noticed and attract more views.
So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to achieving viral success with a faceless YouTube video, just like Magnates Media. Remember, it's not just about luck or random chance. It seems like there's a lot of strategy involved. It's not just about uploading any video and hoping for the best.
If you found this guide helpful, share it with your friends. In the next video, 4 million subscribers from a faceless YouTube channel in 90 days, I'll reveal the secrets to that success. Don't miss it.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.